Some strong weather sweeping through Maine today, and it just so happens this is what it looked like in the town of Strong this afternoon. Thank you to Mary for sharing that in the Near Me section of our mobile app. Anytime you see weather or news happening, you can upload it right there. But big shift, because some areas beautiful sunny day and others had bursts of that coming through.
Yeah, and appropriately in the town of Strong, Maine.
Yes.
Dealt with some strong weather today. Let's wrap up what we've been through and where we're headed for this holiday weekend, because we have a lot of good stuff on the way. These are the areas of wind damage reports today. One cluster in western Maine, another one north of Bangor, and similar looking areas for the hail reports. There were quite a few hail reports actually around Dover, Foxcroft, and Glenburn a short time ago. First line now moving out of down East Maine. There will be some thunder and lightning heading into Calais soon. A second line tried to come together, but it's really struggled to do so. There is a downpour headed from South Berwick down to Kittery, but I don't see any lightning with that. And then this cell has been dying as it's been headed toward Casco Bay, but a quick downpour headed toward Harpswell right now. And then a big gap. A lot of central Maine is dry right now, but there is one more line headed toward Calais, and there is a flash flood warning for parts of Baxter State Park, but that should expire at 7:15. Cooler air starting to move into the mountains, and it's also drier air with dew points down into the 50s. The cold front is moving through right now, and the air mass that moves in for tomorrow will be totally different feeling compared to today. Over the next 12 hours or so, the air will dry out really nicely, and by the end of the day tomorrow, almost a fall-like air mass in place. So if you have plans for fireworks or any other events tonight, most places should be able to get them in fine. There is a chance for an isolated shower through 9 or 10 o'clock, and then we clear out. We start tomorrow morning in the 50s to around 60. The sunniest weather tomorrow will be in southern Maine, but even there, some clouds will bubble up during the afternoon. In eastern and northern Maine, it turns partly to mostly cloudy with a chance for a pop-up shower in the afternoon, but those should dry up. So in most places for fireworks tonight, tomorrow night I should say, it will be dry, but it is going to be cool and crisp out there tomorrow night. Saturday morning, it's still nice and comfortable. The dew points are low, but during the day on Saturday, we start to warm up a bit. It's several degrees warmer with high temperatures on Saturday that get into the low and mid 80s, but the humidity on Saturday remains in check. That changes on Sunday. Heat and humidity start to build in, and they will be in place for both Sunday and Monday. High temperatures on Sunday, actual air temperatures, low to mid 90s for many spots, and when you factor in the humidity, it may feel like the upper 90s in some cases Sunday afternoon, and that heat and humidity continues into Monday as well. On the water tomorrow, seas 2 to 3 feet with a northwest to westerly wind 5 to 10 knots. Worth noting, we're starting to get some upper 60s off the seacoast and York County coast, so the water, at least in southern Maine, maybe a little more tolerable for some this holiday weekend. So tomorrow it's cooler, it's less humid. There's a chance for an afternoon shower in northern and eastern Maine, but I think central and southern Maine stay dry. A beauty on Saturday, low humidity, highs in the low to mid 80s. Hotter and more humid on Sunday. There could be an afternoon thunderstorm in northern Maine on Sunday. A higher chance that all of us could see some storms Monday into Tuesday. But Brian, it's a holiday weekend. The holiday on Friday, it's attached to a Saturday and Sunday, and we're getting a good one for once.
We've had so few. We will enjoy it. Ryan, thanks so much.
You're welcome.